that y'all need to know about the site. What's up you guys, I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Hinanshi Sanghvi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da. So guys, today's video is about a shopping haul. So basically I shopped from Bonkers Corner, which I've heard a lot on Instagram because these days teenagers are wearing it a lot. So I decided to buy a few stuffs from there and damn, I'm in love with them. So a lot of people are not sure about online shopping from Instagram and all because people don't tend to trust the sites. Well, I'm gonna show you all the products that I got from Bonkers Corner and whether it's worth it, affordable, delivery period, and if the quality is good, everything that y'all need to know about the site. So if y'all haven't yet seen my piercing video, then go check it out because I've got 5 new piercings and damn, they look amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon so that you all stay updated on all my shopping vlogs and other videos which are gonna come really soon. And if y'all haven't yet followed me on Instagram, then go check it out and follow me because I'm gonna upload cute and funny content over there too. So yeah, without wasting any much time, let's get started. The very first thing that I got from Bonkers is this cute little bucket hat, which is tie-dyed bucket hat and has Bonkers written on it. So I got it for 500, but the original price of the product is 900. They have a sale going on, so everything is in discount. And not everything, like almost everything. This is one of their latest collection which has 3 different colors and damn, it looks really cute when you wear it. And bucket hats are something which is really in trend right now, so I decided to just buy it. That's how the hat looks on me and it's really cute, and yeah, I would really love to wear it on a beach. It covers my eyes really well, so I don't have any sun coming on me right now also, and I might look a bit scary, but apart from that, it's really cute and it really suits my outfit right now also. So I think that yeah, y'all should definitely have one bucket hat in your wardrobe, and yeah, y'all should get it from Bonkers. The top that I'm currently wearing is from Zara, so if y'all haven't seen my Zara shopping haul, go check it out because this is one of the very trending top on Zara, and y'all should definitely buy it because it's on sale also and it's worth it. Second thing that I've got, and y'all are gonna love it if y'all are anime fan, especially Naruto fan, because well, the t-shirt that I've got is a Kakashi manga full sleeve long t-shirt which is of cotton. The original price for this t-shirt is $8.99, but I got it for $6.99 because as I told you, there's a discount going on. The size that I've got is medium and it's a bit loose to me, but that's how I exactly want it because I wanted it to be as an oversized t-shirt and not just a normal t-shirt. And the best part is that y'all have this particular t-shirt for male also, so y'all can wear it together, and I'm gonna get it for my friend because he's a huge fan of Naruto. And if y'all haven't seen Naruto yet, then please go check it. I mean, Naruto is like amazing. It lifts up your mood every time. Datte vayo. All the links of the products are gonna be in the description box below, so just tap on it and put it in your cart and go buy it. This is not a promotion video. Next thing that I've got is this oversized ink tie-dye signature t-shirt which has Bonkers written on it, and the t-shirt is originally for $6.99, but I got it for $4.99, and I got a medium size because I told you all that I want a loose look because it's oversized and it's meant to give an oversized look. Well, it's available for both male and female, so you all can twin in this also, and they have a lot of different colors in tie-dye t-shirts itself. So yeah, you all can go check it out. And next product that I've got, and which is my second favorite product after the Kakashi full sleeve t-shirt, is this cute Rhodos zipper tank t-shirt which is a crop top and has Bonkers Corner written on both the sides with Rhodos. It gives a really cool look. It's a very cute top, and yeah, the original price for this is $9.99, but I got it for $4.99 because there's a discount going on, and I feel it's 100% worth getting such a cool top for just 499 rupees with an amazing print behind it, and it looks amazing on me because I'd already worn it on my 21st birthday, and my birthday vlogs are gonna come up really soon, so stay tuned. Also, the size that I got in this t-shirt is M, and it fits perfectly well to me, and obviously it's not loose this time, but it's really cute, and they have a lot of varieties in tanks and camisole also. The last product that I got from Bonkers is this black lounge shorts. The original price for this is $8.99, but I got it for $4.99. It's 100% cotton, and I got a medium size in this, which is kind of perfectly well for me, but I need a bigger size in this, and that's why I'm gonna get it exchange, and the exchange is gonna happen tomorrow. So I'll be waiting for a large size because I want it to be more loose and feel more comfortable in it and relaxed, and yeah, that's it. Firstly, Bonkers has a collection of streetwear, casuals and all the cool clothes that you all will get, from tie-dye to quads to different prints of animes and everything. So that's one thing that I really love about it. Also, it has collection for women and men, and you all can even twin with your brothers or your boyfriends. So these were all the products that I got from Bonkers Corner. So it was my first time that I was ordering from Bonkers. That's why I ordered just 5 products, and I'm gonna really order a lot because I'm in love with the site. When it comes to the material, it's really amazing. The quality is good, it's affordable, and also the delivery period is 5 to 7 days. So I feel everything about this site is really good. No wonder why everyone's buying so much from Bonkers. And also it has a lot of different styles of clothes, from cardigans to tank tops to sweatshirts, hoodies, jackets, cord sets, everything, oversized t-shirts, graphics and slogan t-shirt, everything. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, hit the bell icon so that you all stay tuned for upcoming shopping vlogs and other videos that I'm going to post really soon. Also my birthday vlogs. And yeah, take care. Bye.